This is a quick video to show you how to upload student data into Exampro or Testbase so that you can use on-screen and reporting functionality. Data needs to be imported in a particular format, so the first step is to download the report definition file. We can find this in the admin console. Click on the bulk import icon and click the Download our report definition file link. Save this to your computer and unzip it. If you don't use Sims, download the template. It's important not to change the format or any of the headings, as this will prevent the upload from working. The legal forename column is mandatory, but you can use it to show the student's preferred name if you wish. There is a table of the mandatory fields and the required format of the data at the bottom of the detailed instructions in the FAQs. If you don't use Sims, you can simply use this file to add your student records, making sure that you don't change any of the columns. Format your source file to have the columns in the same order, and paste the student details into the Exampro or Testbase file. The instructions for the Sims export can be found in our FAQs. Please note that each student may be listed multiple times in the spreadsheet, one entry per class. Make sure that you save it as a CSV file before uploading it. We also recommend saving the file to your desktop for easy access. When you come to upload your file, you will have the option to select specific classes. Return to the bulk import section of the admin console using your administrator account. Either drag and drop your file into the space indicated, or follow the link to browse and select the file to upload it. Now you can use the filter function to locate and select specific classes. You can select up to 20 classes to upload at a time. Click Finalize Upload. You will be shown a summary of your import, showing what data has been uploaded, how many accounts have been created, and identify any warnings or errors. If you need to upload more than 20 classes, simply repeat this step again and select classes in batches of no more than 20. Now you need to assign teachers to each class. Go to Classes and click on the orange icon next to each class. Select all of the relevant teachers and then click Save. Do the same for each class in turn. That's it. Any problems or questions, please contact us at support on 0345 145 1500.